guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace and I'm the owner of OMG That's Creative, where we sell party favors and treats for every occasion. Today we're going to talk about what it takes to start a party favors business under $400. That is right, under $400. Right now you're looking at my Amazon shop where you can find the party favors essentials. So we'll start here because everyone loves shopping at Amazon. So the supplies that you will find here are some of the essential products that I use on a daily basis. Anywhere from paper, scissors, paper crimpers, paper trimmers, particularly anything that you can think of, you will be able to find it in my Party Favors Essentials store. And of course, most of my items are prime shipping, so if you're in a rush and you need something right away, it'll come within like a couple of days. With any party favors business, you would need to have a graphic design program. The first company I would recommend is Canva. Canva is a graphic design program that is used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and documents. Canva offers a wide array of features that will allow you to edit photos, create your designs, and upload pre-made documents. Some say it's like having a basic version of Photoshop that's free and doesn't require a lot of editing knowledge. If you are brand new to Canva, Canva offers free video tutorials on their website. So Canva does offer a free option with their program. Currently, the free option does offer you $250,000 plus free templates. The next one up is going to be a pro account, which is only $12.99 a month, and then enterprise. The only one that I would truly recommend right now, if I were to do a pay option, would be the pro account. Reason being is it allows you to use the background editor. Alright, so if you wanted to really step up your game and create beautiful images from scratch, I would recommend purchasing Adobe Photoshop. Currently, Adobe Photoshop do offer a free trial, and if you fall in love with it, you have the option to pay a monthly fee of only $20.99 a month. I've been using Adobe for over 5 years and I'm still learning something new every day. It is definitely a great investment. So next up, the most important thing of having a party favors business is having a good printer. We are currently on the Epson.com website for only one reason. I have such a love for Epson printers ever since I started my business. I love their eco tanks for 3 reasons. They are cheap, great on ink, and can print hundreds of sheets before needing a refill. Hands down, they are some of the best printers out. Their print quality is just amazing. Alright guys, we did it. This is my Party Favors Essentials list to get started with party favors. So what are you waiting for? Start your business today. Make sure you take a screenshot. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. For those of you that are interested, my Amazon favorite store is going to be in the link in my bio. Thanks guys.